Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable, how to disable our mobile data usage and Wi-Fi data usage via app management menu in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we're looking for the app option, and at the top we have app management. Here we have every app installed on the phone, so let's tap first from the top. And now we have every option that we can want that is connected to this specific application. So we have data usage here, and we have our data usage, and we can disable mobile data or Wi-Fi using this menu, and we can enable it using the same switch, and we can also enable background data if we want to, and that's all.